Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can lock down your note application on your MacBook computers. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And remember, I'll be doing a contest at 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit that mark, I'll be giving away 2 Amazon gift cards. For you to enter that contest, all you need to do is be subscribed and then comment down below to let me know you're subscribed. By doing those 2 things, you guys get 2 entries in the hat. So enter that contest, guys. 2 Amazon gift cards up for grabs once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So with that being said, let's jump into today's video, how to lock down your note application on your MacBook computer. So once you're signed into your MacBook, you're going to notice your dock at the bottom here with all your icons. You want to find your note application. If you click on that, here you can make a new note by clicking on the pencil with the little square. Create a new note, and you have your note page on the right hand part of your screen, and you can type whatever you want. If it's a recipe, if it's a password, if it's a note, anything you want to have saved on your Mac. So if I could just put test note, I can make lists if I want to, I can make grocery lists, I can do personal information, whatever I want to do to have saved on this Mac. So once I make a note, it's automatically saved to my computer. So if I close out of the notes and I reopen it, right here is my note, and I can create more notes, and I can create as many as I want, and it'll list them right here. So to lock a note so no one can get into it and see what you're typing or see what you're hiding, you're going to click this little lock icon right here. It says add or remove password locks. Click on that. Make sure that if you have multiple notes here, you want to click on the one you want to lock, and it's pretty much like this yellow orange color. That's when you know it's highlighted. So click on the lock picture and then click on lock note. And then from here it says create a password for all your locked notes. It's asking you to put a password in. So I'm going to make a password. Verify that password, so just type it in again. And you can do a password hint if you want, just in case you forget your password. It's something to refresh your memory. Do know that if you forget this password, you won't be able to view your locked notes. So it's very important to remember your password, or you won't be able to get back in to your very important notes. So make a password hit and then just hit set password. So it says a hint is strongly recommended. I made the password. Apparently it doesn't like that. Don't ever do that. Don't ever make your password. I'm just going to make it something else here. I just wanted to do password for the purposes of this video. Don't ever make your password. Too easy to guess. And then I'll just set this password. Okay, so once you set your password, you're going to notice a little lock right here next to your note. So right now your note is unlocked. So just click the lock button picture again, and then hit close all locked notes. So once you do that, it'll lock the note, and it says this note is locked. Enter the note's password to view locked notes. So if someone tries to get into my notes application, oh no, see, I can't get into it. I can't open it. I can't see what's in there. It's asking for me for a password. So if I click this box, type in my password, type my password in, hit enter, and now my note is unlocked. So you can do it to as many notes as you want. You can do it to all. You can do it to some. Whatever you feel like you want to keep private or locked down. So this was just a quick video on how to lock your notes. If it helped you guys, give it a like. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and remember about that contest. Be subscribed. Let me know you're subscribed, and you will get 2 tickets in the hat. So hopefully it helped. Enjoy your July 4th holiday, and I'll see you on the next video.